Okay, hello parents. I'm excited. This is the first time I'm using this screencast-o-matic thing, so this is pretty cool. I just want to show you something really quick. One of the things that we are wanting to focus on during this time is fact fluency. Can students add and subtract quickly? And this is math facts. And here is one way to do that. I am on gregtangmath.com, and that's up here. I think you can see. This is a free site. And this is great stuff. Okay, so this is Kakooma. It's the big K right here. So I'm going to click on that. And, okay, let's see. Let me make this bigger. That's kind of weird, but okay. Whoops. Okay, back to Kakooma. All right, so to begin with, I'm just going to show you the practice. Click on practice, click on plus, and this 4 squares right here, and the sun, and start game. Now, and then this just tells them how to play. By now, they should know how to play. So I'm going to click got it, and this is what the puzzles look like. There's 4 of them, and they each have 4 numbers right here. So what they're going to do is they're going to click on the number that is the sum of 2 other numbers. Okay, so we have 3 plus 10 is 13. There's no 13 here. 4 plus 1 is 5. There's no 5 here. 3 plus 1 is 4. Oh, look, there's a 4. So I click on the 4 and it collapses. Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3. No 3. 2 plus 8 is 10. Aha, 10. 4 plus 2 equals 6. And 3 plus 11 is 14. No. Oh, 2 plus 3 is 5. Click on the 5. And then we have our last 4 numbers, and then we're just doing the same thing right here. So I know that 4 plus 5 is 9. There's no 9. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Aha, 10. And I'm done. And then play again, and it goes to another one. Now, you probably want to start your kids. Most of your kids will want to start on this. I have a lot of kids that are excited about multiplication and division, but they're not ready for that until they have mastered addition and subtraction. So make sure that they do addition first. Now I know that there are some kids that this will be really, and you'll be able to tell. If they're getting it really fast, then move them up. I'll show you what else they have. Okay, so move them up to this one. And it's the same idea except, oh look, there's more numbers. There's 5 now. Okay, so it's a little bit harder. 7 plus 6, 13. Let's see here. 9 plus 3 is 12. 4 plus 3 is 7. It's kind of fun. I mean, try it. I like it. 5 plus 1 is 6, and 5 plus 3 is 8. Now we have these 5 left, and 7 plus 6 is 13, and I'm done. Okay, now the whole thing here is speed. Okay, if they're getting them all right, but it's taking them a while, and they're on easy, then let them do the easy until they can do it fast. But fact fluency is all about speed. They have to be able to do it fast. Okay, so don't move them along until they're doing it fast. You do have to watch them at first because, at least in class, they'll just click. Click, click, click. See, I could come in here and I could click on that, click on that. Oh, I got that one right. Oh, I got that one wrong, but I can just click. Okay, so make sure they're actually doing it in their head. This is very valuable math if they're actually doing it. Okay? Okay, and that is Kakooma. So thank you, and I'm going to check this to make sure this all worked correctly, and then I'll send it out to you guys. Thanks.